Yo, what's up everybody? It's been a while, but I'm back with a new video. This one's gonna be a little bit more shorter. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Relax. Else we're gonna have a problem. I'm good, man. I'm good. Don't worry about it. I was just a little bit of cough. No problem. All right, man. All right, we're good. We're good. Oh, okay. All right. So you think I can't hear you from over there, huh? Oh yeah. 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 Do we got a problem, bro? Huh? I got a problem. You got a problem? Huh? Huh? Do we got a problem, bro? Huh? Huh? Do we have a problem? You better not cough again. Alright? Or else I'll shoot you. You got me? Yeah? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. You better not cough again. Or else we're gonna have more problems. Got that? That's what I thought. Don't miss my gun. Alright, I'm sorry.
Run.
Get back here, bro. Get back. Yeah, but gotta be safe. Alright, guys, gotta be safe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like that button, please. I'm trying to get YouTube famous. Probably not gonna happen, but that's okay. But hopefully I do. You never know. Alright, see you guys later. Peace.